In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Add to Cart button text in Shopify. This is a simple but powerful tweak that lets you match your store's wording to your brand voice, or make your call to action more compelling, like buy now, add to bag, or reserve your spot. We'll do everything using Shopify's built-in settings, so there's no coding required. First, log into your Shopify admin and head straight to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the page where you see your orders, analytics, and sales overview. Make sure you're on the right store if you manage more than one, because the changes we'll make apply only to the store you're currently viewing. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section called Online Store and click on it. This is where you manage how your website looks and behaves. When you open it, you'll see your current theme at the top, along with options to customize, edit, or manage that theme. Next to the main edit button for your live theme, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, usually on the same row as your theme name. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with more advanced options. This menu lets you access theme code, duplicate the theme, and most importantly for us, adjust the theme's default text. From that drop-down, select Edit Default Theme Content. This opens a page where all the text strings used across your theme are organized into different categories, such as general, products, cart, and more. Instead of editing code, we're editing the language and labels that appear in your store. Once that page loads, look for the category called Products and click on it. This filters the list to only show text related to product pages and product actions, which is where the Add to Cart button text lives. Now, find the field titled Add to Cart. In the box where you currently see that phrase, type in the new text you want to use for your button. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, so customers immediately understand what will happen when they click it. When you're happy with the new wording, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. After saving, visit one of your product pages on your live store and refresh the page to confirm the new button text is showing correctly. And that's